How to report a lost card on Santander app. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on reporting a lost card on Santander app. So basically what you need is, first thing first, if you're able to log into your account, you might want to open up your app. So once logged into your Santander bank, you then want to go to the card management section, after which you want to select more options and the manage card as well. Next, you just want to look for the tab, or you just want to look for it and tap manage card and select the specific card that you want to report. As you've done it, so you then want to select report lost or stolen or report card, and you want to specify the reason. That means select whether it was lost or stolen, and you need to confirm your mailing address is correct or not, and just select submit to deactivate the card and request a replacement. And that's when you're going to report this lost card on Santander app. And with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.